March 20th, 2025. Today, obviously, really large rally on the open, and we ended up getting an endless pullback. And I thought it was possible we got a second leg up from this, or in the Globex session, you'll see, one second, we had this, and I thought this was a minor reversal, so I thought it was possible we might have to get back up into this area. I did not think we would do this today, but there was this on the Globex session, so you had to keep in mind, as good as this rally looks, there's a really, really, really large sell-off preceding it. So even if we get all the way up here, I wasn't, I thought personally that we would go higher during the day, but we ended up getting a tight channel down, and obviously it turned into an endless pullback. So you could buy the close of 3, 1, 2, and 3, 3-bar micro channel. Odds are it's going to get a second leg. I don't personally trade before bar 7, but there's nothing wrong with buying closes and getting out below some sort of violent reversal. There was news on bar 7, so you have to be a little bit even more cautious if possible. But you can buy closes all the way up. 9, the first reversal down, so 10, 11, 12, a second leg up. A 3-bar micro channel, I wanted to try and buy around the 10 low. I did not really want to buy the bar 12 close because I didn't really grade it all that high. I didn't think it was a very high probability micro channel. And when I get that, I usually try to buy lower. So I was more interested in buying down here, but obviously we ended up getting a third leg up. It's 3 legs up. The first leg, 1, 2, 3. And then I thought we got 3 legs down. I tried to buy the bar 10 low with a limit order, but it missed by about 1 tick on bar 26. But we got 3 legs down. First leg to bar 19. Second leg, bar 22, and the third leg, bar 25, and then 26 is a reversal up. I thought, the sell-off to 19 will probably need a second leg down because it's leg 1. It's the third reversal. First reversal below 9, second reversal below 13, and the third reversal below 16. So I thought that would probably get another leg. I thought 27 was a credible buy. 26, 27, 28. I thought those were reasonable. I did buy the close of 28, and I scaled in, and I ended up getting stopped out for a pretty solid loss down here. My other trade today was I sold the close of 36, and I just held, and I exited above 64. So I took a loss on the day. The always in trading is easier for me. I might have to start doing a little bit more of that because I don't mind scaling into these trades, but I scalp out of them probably too often, and especially too often when I think I have a really good handle on what traders need to see for always in. So I might start doing a little bit more holding in an always in style, especially if I think there could be a trend, days like this where I buy this close and I just got out somewhere in here. I could buy the close, maybe buy more on the consecutive follow through bars, and then hold until bulls are forced out, which is probably bar 68. And, I probably usually end up doing a lot better. Either way, 36 probably needs a second leg. So 30 probably needs a second leg, but I thought the rally to 28 was probably going to get a second leg, but 31 is very disappointing. So if you're a bull who bought for any reason, I was a bull, so I wanted to see 31 close on its high, and instead it rallied straight up, and then the traders sold out of their longs, and that caused 31 to have a massive tail. For me, that massive tail is a big problem, and I think 32 is probably where the market starts to go always in short. So bulls can exit below 32. Some bears can sell below 32. It's probably slightly aggressive, but I think it's definitely reasonable to sell below 32. You're betting that we get a breakout below the 3 legs down, and potentially some sort of measured move. So I thought it was okay to sell. And then I sold the close at 36. We got 3 legs up, 1, pullback, 2, pullback, 3. Not really the best looking 3 legs, but still 3 legs up. And then obviously another really large leg down. 44, 45. I still thought 43 and 44 might get a second leg up. They were good consecutive bull bars. In real time, I thought that we more had 3 legs down, and then this was leg 1. It looks more like now that this was 3 legs up, and then this was a new breakout. So either way you want to look at it. We have a big sell-off to the close of bar 48 and a pullback. Still likely a minor reversal, so I was holding short. We have a low one short 52, but probably going to get a pullback before another reversal down. And then we have a second leg up. So 1, pullback 2, 58, a low 2 short. You could sell 58, a little bit aggressive, or you could sell the close at 59, and then big follow through on 60. It is 3 legs down, 1, 2, 3. I thought we might try to get to the open of the day. So my target was actually the low of the day because I thought it was possible we tried to break out below the low. But obviously we ended up getting a reversal up 62. 63 allows the bears out who sold the close and do not want to hold. And I think 64 is where the majority of always in bears exit. So we have a lot of reversals up. And if we were going to, it's a very late leg. So strong bear bar, bull bar, you just get out. 64, 65 consecutive bull bars. We're probably going to get another leg up. So I would not sell the close of 66 because 64 and 65 should get another leg. And then 67, another bull bar, likely going back to the bar 65 close at some point. 69, 70, 71. That's 3 legs up for the bulls total, 62, 65, and then 71. So 3 legs up. Probably going to go at least a little bit higher, but we might pull back first. And then obviously 72, a big bear bar. Bears hoping that we're going to continue down. Bulls thinking it's a minor reversal because we're probably going to end up getting back up in this area, and it does end up being a minor reversal. So like I said, entries on the day, you could have bought any of the closes on the way up, probably get out below 18 or 17 since it's 3 reversals down. You could sell the close and scale in, maybe make money. I thought these were okay by the close. The problem is the tight channel from here to here. And as I mentioned earlier, the Globex sell-off. So I thought it was possible that we were in a trading range, but I thought it was likely enough that we were in a bull trend that it was okay to hold. And like I said, I ended up getting stopped out. And I thought it was credible to sell the close here after the breakout below the low. We're probably going to pull back though, so we do get 3 legs sideways to up. And then another big bear bar 47, you could sell the close. And then, you can maybe sell the close 53 if you wanted to, but it's a low 1, so it should pull back. You could sell more 58, 59. I still think this is all probably going to get another leg down. So I'm not as concerned about the rally to 51 or to 57 because I think we're getting at least below this low because of how strong this is. It is a third leg down, 60, 61, but third legs do work sometimes, so it's still logical to think we get another leg. However, once you get 64, second reversal up, closing on its high, it makes more sense to just exit. If you wanted to scale in, you probably could. It's just dangerous to do so. The daily chart. So we're in a tight trading range. I do think we're going back down to 5,500. I don't know if it's 1, pullback, 2, pullback, and then maybe 3 before we go back down. It's possible we drift a little more sideways to up, but I think ultimately we're going to get back down to this price. Reason being, if you look at something like a weekly chart, this is not going to be reversed just by this. So odds are we get another leg down, in my opinion. All right, that's going to be it for this review.